When your lead business expands, of course, you'll have employees and you'll need to add users to your system to help you manage the system. And so that's pretty easy to do, and I'll show you real quickly. It's in your settings main tab, and you're going to look for the manage users. And in this section here, you can see we already have some users here, but to add new users, you use this add new tool, and it allows you to create the name and create the login. The process for getting your new user logged in, once you create this and use the email address as the login, you notify your new user or your employee. And what you would do is send them to the login portal. It's your lead system URL with the /admin after it. And in that login portal, your employee can then use the forgot my password, essentially, and it goes through in the process of allowing them to create a password for their account, and then they're able to log in. And so the other aspect of users is then there's also the group name that's associated with it here. And what that's referring to is the permissions that each individual would have. And so you can set up permissions based on the groups. And so right above manage users, we have manage user groups. Here are the groups that have been created. And if you go into any one of these, you'll see that then you can go through and edit what parts of the system they can or cannot see. So that's what groups allows you to do. So as you're creating your user, you'll also want to think about what group they'll be involved with if you have groups at all. But that's just the other aspect to think about with regard to adding new users. So if you have questions, feel free to send us a ticket and we'll be more than happy to help. Thanks.